Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Education Committee jong ka Seiñraij Jowai ha ka arpoi trik no pra kala Pynlong ka Jinghikai Bakyrpang ni Jinghikai Halor ka NEP arajar arpau. Badia ka Jinghikai la Pynlong ha yung wali ha lumperdi yong pia ha ka jingwan ni simbenta Jinghikai na ki school paper. Jinghikai ka balawan ni simbenta ki kentop Jinghikai ka Seiñraij Secondary School, Jowai Dulang Secondary School, Jowai Panaliar Secondary School Jowai, Dulang Upper Primary School SSA Panaliar, Upper Primary School SSA, Lumperdi Yongpia Upper Primary School SSA, Pomusiang SSA Upper Primary School, Bat Kiway. Ya kejingalang na penya de uma juhi nang hulu, haringkat kakong wandalan dekar kat ba uma Hercules Toy, President Seiñraij Jowai, labatai syapang ki rukam bat ki jingyo jimentoi ki kena da ka bapentre kam ya ka NEP arajar arpau. Uma juhi nong hulu ha ka jingkran nam pamat ulai thu igi santri ki mat Bakyrpang jo ka NEP arajar arpau ki ba kentop ya ka accessibility, equity, quality, affordability bat ka accountability. Dr. Raj Kumar, Principal JNV Rembai Isjain Hills, Komuriu Shampang Loong, Bagari India kalayat lenti mentala lai sienมันเป็นทำไมแบบเป็นจะนายกับ National Education Policy ชูหล่ออ่องกัดกรมกันนีกับ NEP อาราจารอาร์พาวอินโดนีเซียกิมได้มันเป็นช่องนองเร็มตั้งมันโยกกี่ขนาดกี่มาร์กกี่บาเหตุนั่นเรกับBakyrpang dan kamru ban sanjoriกับจึงนองจึงมันจึงกี้ฮับบารอกกี่เลี้ยงนะดูจึงกว่าจึงเขียกับซับกับพองกับบุรมกับอากอร์บัดกี่เว
Much awareness about the education in India and students, a number of students in school are very less. The first target and first requirement at that time is to bring the children to the schools and the schools to have a good quality of education. So 1968 the first education policy is launched by the Indian government that was focused on to bring the students to schools. That means to retain the children in schools. Then after that the second education policy came in 1986. Which was focused on computer education, because at that time computer just started. They came in knowledge that what is the need of computer. That without computer we cannot excel with the so many technologies and tools which are very much required to excel to the world also. That we cannot bring our child to the world platform without computer education. So that policy of education, NPE, National Policy of Education, that was known in 1986. But some modifications were there. That means some suggestions from the committees they come and it modified in 1992, and which was to inculcate some skills into the students also. And after that a new and latest policy of education, that is called National Education Policy NEP 2020, prepared by Indian government under the head of K. Kasturi Ranjan, and it was approved in a cabinet, union cabinet, in 19th July 2020. So it is known as National Education Policy 2020. So what is the need of this policy now? Because the first policy focused on to bring students to school. Second policy focused on computer education mainly. Now this the third one policy came also. So what is the need of this policy at this time? Because we all have the knowledge of technology also. Computers are very much, that means improved versions of computer we are using. This is the time of smartphones also. Drones we are using. There so many technologies have been developed. Now what is the need of this new policy? We have to think over it first of all. Because at that time when we are studying the class, just think about it. When we are in the schools, is there any terms we are using? We were using that what is depression, what is stress, and what is this and that, anxiety and phobia. These terms they came in this time also. They are very much focused. And what is mental health and well-being? These terms, है ना, मनोदर्पण, initiatives from the Indian government also. So what is the need of such kind of campaign and such kind of schemes from the central governments? There is a huge pressure over the students also, on teachers also. Teachers are, it is a truth that teachers are also having, they are so much stress from the societies, from the managements, from the parents also, that you have to do like this, you have to be top, your school should be on top. Students, they have pressure from their parents also, you have to top in the class, or you will be the engineer, topmost engineer, you will be the topmost doctor. Why it is so? Why it is so? Where are the human values? We don't think about human values. We don't think about the behavior of the children. So we are only going toward to obtain the good marks from the schools only. I don't think about the behavior change in the children, and that behavior change that lead to the improvement of this educational system. Our children, they are not excel at the world platforms in a developed country like in Japan, in Germany, in France, and that education system different from our education system. So to inculcate the human values, to empowering the educational system also, so that we will be at the platform of the world class levels, and education which we are giving in the schools, that should be implemented in our daily life also. But there is no, only rote learning is there, only rote learning to obtain the good marks only.